Welcome to Artisan Heirloom Foods. I'm Sarah, and today's video is real short, sweet, and simple. Here is the candy stripe beets that I planted earlier in the season. This is my first harvest. I'm really excited. They're a little small, but I've never actually grown these beets before, so I'm not quite sure how large they're supposed to get. But I went ahead and harvested probably, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of them. 12 of them. I harvested 12 of them. And so I'm going to take them inside and I'm going to roast them in the oven. And I'm going to have me some wonderful candied beets, roasted beets. So anyway, I'm all excited about this harvest. It's my first harvest of the year. I've harvested lots of asparagus and oregano and basil and thyme, but I just haven't actually harvested any vegetables. So that's why I'm kind of excited about this video, is because it's my very first harvest. So just as a side note, so this was the first time that I've actually planted these types of beets, and I have to say that I don't know if these grow well here in this zone, because they took a really long time to get to this size. I planted these back in, I believe it was March. It's now July, and they just really took their time. I hope they're not woody, but we'll go ahead and we'll figure it out. We'll see, you know, how they taste and what they look like inside. You know, when I cut them open, they're supposed to be candy striped, like a peppermint candy, but we'll just see. My rabbit will love the greens. I'll give him some of the greens to nibble on. Oh, hey, look, I want to show you this real quick. So in my flower bed here, look what I've got growing. Look, you see that? That's a melon. I have no idea. That's a volunteer. I have no idea how this got here. It's grown all the way up. It just, about 2 weeks ago, it started popping up out of the ground. Anyway, so I'll have a little melon here. I think I know which melon this is. I think it's like a cantaloupe, a French melon, but we'll just see. But there's one right there, so I'm kind of excited to see how well it does. Anyway, back to the beets. All right, you guys. Well, I just wanted to show you my lovely little beets. And if you are new to my videos, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified of future videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and let me share what you've actually, you know, what you're growing and what you've harvested in your garden. And until my next video, all of you guys take care. All right, see you soon.